When it comes to making dinner, do you find yourself making the same few things over and over again? If you do, you're not alone. That's why today I want to share with you a fun way to make chicken that is super easy and is anything but boring. We start by pounding 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts until they're about a ½ inch thick. You want to make sure you cover them with a sheet of plastic before pounding them so your kitchen doesn't get splattered. We spread each breast with a mixture we made by combining some softened cream cheese with a bit of pesto and roasted peppers. Now, we roll these up jelly roll style and secure them with a toothpick. To take these over the top, we coat them with some crushed cornflakes that we mix with some Parmesan cheese and a bit of paprika. When these come out of the oven, which by the way takes less than 30 minutes, are you ever in for a treat? You see, the outside is crispy crunchy and the inside is loaded with a pinwheel of cheesy goodness. To get the recipe for our stuffed chicken roll-ups, all you have to do is go online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a spirally delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Crispy, crunchy, spirally delicious. Yum.